Yes, all are present. All delegates are present.
Thank you. Good afternoon, distinguished delegates. Welcome to the Model United Nations. Today the agenda includes United Nations Sustainable Development Goals on specific topics like quality education, gender equality, climate action, peace, justice and strong instructions and partnership for the goals. Now, I request member delegates of the respective countries to start with the opening statements. Now the floor is yours. Now start with
Mike is
South
there.
Africa.
You can start.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chairperson. Sustainable Development Goals 13 Climate Action aims to combat by climate change, integrating measure into policies, strengthening resilience, improving education or capability, implementing the Paris Agreement and promoting climate finance, especially for vulnerable nations like LDCs and SIDs to reduce emission and adapt to impact. Its core target is 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, 13.A and 13.B. Focus on building adaptive capacity, integrating climate change into national plans, enhancing knowledge, fulfilling climate finance commitment, and supporting effective management in the most vulnerable. Thank you.
Next proceed.
Good afternoon all. Honorable Chairperson and delegate members. Gender equality, the SDG 5 achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Exclusively focus on gender. SDG 5 aim to ensure ending all form of discrimination against women and girls. Everywhere. It is vital to give women equal rights on land and property, sexual and productive health, and to technology and the internet, providing women and girls with equal access to education, healthcare, decent work and representation in politics and economics. Decision-making process will achieve sustainable economics and will benefit societies and humanity at large, ending all form of discrimination against women and girls is not only a basic human right but also is sustainable future of societies. Thank you.
And proceed to next delegate.
Honorable Chairperson, respect delegate, decision making remains in man's hand in walks of life everywhere in the world as of 1 January 2025. Women held only 27.2% of seats in national parliaments. Their representation in local government stand at 30.5% of seats 2023 and 2024 after an average annual increase of 0.5% point since 2020 and bright spot in the more balanced female representation among younger members of parliament. 57% under age 30 and 60% under age 40. As parliament become younger, they may seek a better gender balance, but only if younger members keep advancing into leadership, structure transformation and ensuring of all women in decision making system with a focus on the values of adults, girls and young women is also with such a measure protection of civic space and strange insulation overthink the impact tone of gender equality. The current dismal picture of gender equality decision making can be reviewed. Thank you.
Next to another delegate.
Greeting Honorable Chair and respected delegates. I am from Australia. I rise today to emphasize a simple truth. A nation's strength depends on the quality of its education. Education is not just about passing exam. It is about shaping mind, building character and preparing our youth for a changing world. As a member of UNO, I believe every child, whether in the village, to quality of learning. This means modern classrooms, better trained teachers, digital tools and curriculum that develop skills, values and creativity. Quality education is a foundation of innovation, economic growth and social harmony. When we invest in education, we invest in future of our nation. Quality education reduces poverty and open doors to better career opportunities. So, let us work together to ensure that every child gets the education they deserve, an education that empower them to dream, achieve and lead. Thank you.
Next to another delegate.
Respected Chair, I belong to Sri Lanka. In our country, we have given equal rights to women with men. We are providing equal opportunities, rights and respect for all our citizens. We are promoting leadership skills and ensures safety and respect. Despite progress, challenges persist. Unequal pay, safety issues and underrepresentation in leadership roles are issues we need to tackle. So gender equality is not just a woman's issue, it is a human issue. When we work together, we can create a more inclusive society where everyone can thrive. Let's make equality a reality for all. Thank you, Chairperson.
Next, proceed.
Good afternoon, one and all. Honorable Speaker, respected member of the House, I rise today to address an issue that stands at the heart of global health and human dignity. The World Health Organization reminds us that the health of a nation is built not only in hospitals and laboratories, but in the everyday life, safety and opportunities afforded to our people, especially our children. Thank you.
Yes. Now we will move on to the
Honorable Chairperson and respected members, China proposed reforms to give women equal rights, economic resource as well as access to ownership and control over land and other forms of property, financial service, natural resource and accordance with national laws. Thank you.
any questions from other delegates? Yes? Yes, Sri Lanka.
Thank you, Chair. I would like to ask a question with Australia. Why is quality education important for development?
Honorable Chair, it reduces poverty, unemployment and inequalities. Thank you.
Questions? Yes, South Africa.
I have a question for quality education. What defines quality education beyond basic literacy?
Yes. Answer Australia. Answer the question.
Honorable Chair, can you please repeat for me?
You want to repeat the question?
Yeah.
Okay. Proceed.
Defines quality education beyond basic literacy.
By giving equal learning for all children.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Honorable Chairperson and respected members, what is the prime role of the WHO? My question for India, I repeat again, what is the prime role of the WHO?
Yes. Proceed.
The primary role of the World Health Organization is to direct and coordinate international health efforts, provide guidance to government, monitor global health trends and the help countries improve their healthcare systems. Thank you.
Any questions? Yes, South Africa.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chairperson. We did some research with our team delegates on floods, cyclones and storm. Honorable Chairperson, warm temperature cause higher rainfall and more powerful storms. These disasters destroy houses, roads, crops and make people also their homes and livelihoods. So, we are planning to build flood resistant houses, strong bridges and proper drainage system, and also planning to construct cyclone resistant shelter near coastal areas. If we have better infrastructure, it helps to reduce the damage during disasters. Thank you.
Yes, any delegate ask any questions? Raise your hands. Yes, Sri Lanka.
I have a question for Australia. How can countries improve education quality?
Honorable Chair, by investing schools, teachers and inclusive policies. Thank you.
Any questions for other? Yes, China.
I want to ask India, Mike, what steps has our government taken with who support? I repeat, what step has our government taken with who support?
Honorable Speaker, the government collapse with the WHO on occasion drives diseases, surveillance, public health programs and immediately held guidings for air quality nutrition and inefficient disease control. Thank you.
Any other delegates to ask the question? Yes, South Africa.
Good afternoon, Honorable Speaker. Effect of greenhouse gases. We have a solution for greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases causes deforestation. Because of deforestation, some animals will die. Because of making much of carbon dioxide and factory fossil fuels. So we are stopping this petrol and diesel vehicles and planting a trees. And using electric vehicles and controlling factory fossil fuels. So like this we are want to stop greenhouse gases. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Now the time we will go to the unmoderated discussion. Yes, now the time for the, please occupy, we begin for the proposal. Delegates, members of the house who are the, so that you can start your proposals. Yes, who wants to start the proposal, they can raise your hands. Yes, Australia, proceed.
I want a proposal behalf of all members that promoting lifelong learning opportunities for every learner, quality education is important, and special support for children with disabilities, safe traveling, and provide safe transportation for students in remote areas. Thank you.
So, members of the house who are in favor of proposal can raise their hands. So the proposal passes unanimously. Thank you. And proceed to the next delegate, Sri Lanka. Any proposal? No? So raise your hands, those who have the proposal. China.
Honorable Chairperson and respected members, China, France with support, ensure equal access to education, empower women in the workplace, protect reproductive rights, strengthen legal protection, achieve better political representation. Thank you.
So now the voting can be begin for the proposal of China. Who are the favor of this proposal, they can raise their hands. Yes, the proposal was agreed unanimously. And proceed to the next proposal and proceed India.
Respected Speaker, I want one idea to develop WHO, World Health Organization. Health is very important to us. So, health అనేది లేకపోతే we can't live in earth. We can't survive in earth. We can't to educate to people. మనం చదువుకోకపోతే మనకి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనేది ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంటో హెల్త్ అనేది కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. హెల్త్ అనేది లేకపోతే we can't survive to earth. సో ప్రతి హౌస్ మెంబర్స్కి వరల్డ్ హెల్త్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ తరపున హెల్త్ కిట్స్ అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలని గవర్నమెంట్ని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ రెస్పెక్టెడ్ స్పీకర్.
On behalf of your language, any translator? ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? Anybody is there?
UN official language Telugu is not written.
Thank you, Chairperson. Now, on behalf of South Africa and other member countries, together proposing this resolution. Take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. Integrate climate change measure into national policies, strategies, and planning. Promote renewable energy development and discourage release of fossil fuels. Thank you.
Members of the House who are in favor of this proposal, they can raise their hands. Yes, the proposal was agreed unanimously.
Thank you.
China with support. End discrimination violence, eliminating all forms of violence, trafficking and harmful practice like female genital mutilation and child marriage. Equal opportunities, ensuring equal access to equality, education, health care, decent work, equal pay and economic resources like land rights. Full protection, promoting women's full and effective participation in leadership and decision making at all levels, political, economic, public life. Technology for empowerment, using technology, especially ICT, to empower women and promote their rights. Thank you.
Yes, they can raise your hands. Who are in favor of this proposal? Yes, this proposal was agreed unanimously. Next.
Honorable Speaker, can I speak?
Yes, proceed.
One thing, WHO is most important in every life. Sometimes doing in operations in hospitals gone current, so because so much of people is died because of operation is not done. So I want request to in every hospital to provide generator. In what full form of WHO, World Health Organization, in April 7, 1850.
Agrees on the following policies. Various delegates from China, South Africa, India, and France given their final resolutions. Thank you.
Congratulations, delegates. Your collaborative youth-led vision for 2075 has been adopted. Now, Distinguished delegates, I commend your progressive leadership. This session was Model United Nations Youth Representative 2075 is now adjourned. Thank you.